Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're all doing well. Today I'm actually joining you from my very small dressing room because my house is in a little bit of chaos at the moment because we're getting our ensuite done and everywhere's just kind of like a little bit of a mess. So I thought I'd come in here and film for you. Let me know if you prefer in here or if you prefer my other space that I use. Yeah, let me know in the comments below. So before I start, I just want to remind everyone about the competition that I've got. So once I hit 500 subscribers, I am doing a massive beauty giveaway, which I've paid for the products myself, or I've been given them, or they've been in like my boxes, for example, and I'm giving them away for free. All you have to do is follow my socials, so my Instagram, my blogging Instagram, which you will have seen at the start, and I'm just going to pop it right here. And you need to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and then as soon as you've done that, you just need to comment done on either my YouTube channel or my Instagram page, and that's it. Then your name gets popped into the draw, and then as soon as I hit 500 subscribers, I will announce a winner worldwide, so you can be from anywhere in the world, and I will post all the products to you, and you get them for free. So there's nothing much for me to do, like, it's free, so why wouldn't you enter it? So make sure that you do enter it, and yeah, I don't see why you wouldn't. So today, as promised, I do my review on my Lookfantastic March box. I'll also be doing my March glossy box, and I've also been very kindly given the Mother's Day glossy box, which I think will be here just before Mother's Day, so if it is, I will post it as soon as I've got the box, so you can have a little look, okay? So, yeah, let's get started. So, this is the Lookfantastic box that they've given us. As you can see, it's got 3 women on it to represent International Women's Day. If you don't know about that, that was actually this week. So, I'm guessing that's what they're there for. In contrast to Glossy Box this month was just a plain pink box. So, automatically that is very cute and great, really, for a brand to do something like that and to represent women. So yeah, that's a pro for me. Okay, let's have a little look what's inside. So as always, they give you like a big booklet, which is like a magazine. Now I didn't properly look all the way through this in the February box, and I'm pretty sure that I missed out that they did actually have how much the products were, so I'm just going to have a little look and check. So just before we go ahead, on page 18 in your Lookfantastic March box, they have an International Women's Day and the history of it. So if you was getting this box or you're waiting for this box, that is a really handy tip for you to go and read about the history of International Women's Day. So yeah, let's have a little look. So yeah, as always, they've got the products here on the front, what's in the box. Now let me just see if I can find the prices. Somebody may be able to tell me I'm wrong. No, I don't think there is. Which it also does tell you though, in the April box, it is worth £92 the box. So that's really handy if you've got a subscription, you kind of humming and hawing. If you want to continue with your subscription, it'll tell you how much is worth in the next box, and then you can kind of make that decision. Let's have a little look what we've got. Let me get my thing ready. I actually smelt this box when I opened it, like the aroma of this soap is very strong and it smells amazing, but like the box kind of hits you. It smells beautiful, so I don't know if you can see that. So that is mineral mud soap. Let's see if there's any information about it. Mineral Dead Sea mud soap. So it's a purifying soap suitable for use on both face and body, formulated to wash away dirt and impurities without stripping your skin out of its necessary moisturiser. So as soon as you open your March box, you will smell this soap because it is very overpowering. So yeah, it smells amazing though, it does smell really, really nice. Okay, let's move on to product number 2. So it's a double-ended brush, which I think is really quite handy. You don't really see a lot of these. Double-ended brow brush. So it's got for your brows at the top, and for underneath to kind of definition, I guess. So a double-ended eyebrow brush to help you achieve the perfect brow and with every use. The angled brush works well with both cream and powder products to help you create natural brushstroke hairs. Brand is great to brush through any product and create a fluffy, more feathered brow look. So as you can see, and then this side. To be honest though, I feel like with this type of brush, I don't know if I'm the only one that's doing this or maybe I'm just doing stuff wrong. I sometimes tend to use this for actually underneath my eyes to create a really nice sleek flick. I don't know if I'm the only one that does that now that I've seen this. Drop me a comment below and let me know if you use this for your eyebrows, because you normally get these in your brush sets, so I wonder, are these actually made for your eyebrows? Please drop me a comment below and let me know, because there's something else I didn't know if that's true. So yeah, that's a really handy product for me, and I love getting brushes in boxes because I feel like they're great, and you can never have enough makeup brushes, never. And I find that with Glossybox massively, they send a lot of brushes throughout the year for you. Okay, number 3, we've got an eyeliner. Okay, so it says AM to PM. Just see if it's focused. So a pencil eyeliner with a gel finish to add drama and definition to your eye makeup look, with a formula that will glide effortlessly over the eyes, avoiding any pull or discomfort. Complete with rectangle sharpener to keep the liner in tip-top condition. I don't know. Yeah, so I don't think you can have enough eyeliner, to be honest. Like, eyeliner is like a go-to thing, isn't it? Especially if you're like going for a very casual look, just putting some mascara and you can just whip some pencil eyeliner on, it makes you look totally different. So I feel like you can't have enough eyeliner, so that is a really good product. So let's have a little look. What's next? Okay. So this is for hair damage. A revitalising hair treatment perfect for dry and damaged hair, full of antioxidant, and it helps penetrate your hair and scalp, protecting your hair from split ends, which I think is a must right now, seeing as though hairdressers are still not able to open. I don't know about you guys, but like, I dyed my own hair. I can't cut it obviously, but I can dye it, just because my roots were just ridiculous. So I feel like using products like this will really help, especially if your hair needs cutting at the moment. You know, 100% worth it. So you use it by massaging a small amount onto your wet hair after shampooing from roots to the ends, and then gradually add water. So you could use this every other time that you wash your hair, and it'll keep your hair nice. I've never used this before, but you can't have enough products like this. It's just good. Yeah. Let's see what's next. Okay, so next we have facial products. That's a bit annoying. So, this is a bit annoying. So this product here is not in my box. So, I'm going to pop all these in there so you can see that I'm being completely transparent. I took this out. There's nothing in that. Yeah, that's a little bit annoying, to be honest. It's only my second month Sparks and they've missed out 2 products. So I was supposed to have... Okay, so they've missed out, so that's annoying. So they've missed out 1 product from my box, which it's only the second month of me actually getting the box, and they've missed a product. So I was supposed to get the facial Radiance pads, and as you can see, I haven't got them. So it's supposed to go with the coconut water cream, which I have got here. It looks like they kind of come together. So I can talk to you about the coconut water cream, but I can't talk to you about the pads because I haven't got the pads. So that is a little bit annoying, I'm not going to lie. A lightweight, fast absorbing facial moisturiser that will infuse your skin with electrolytes, amino acids to refresh your complexion and restore its radiant glow. This rejuvenating cream will also deliver long-lasting hydration whilst plumping out your skin for a more youthful complexion. So I absolutely love facial moisturisers and anything to put on your skin at night and the day before you put makeup on or after you've taken your makeup off. I think it's so important to look after your skin, especially if you're getting older. I think it's a vital part of your skin routine to kind of look after what we were given. So yeah, I'm looking forward to using that, but I'm a little bit annoyed with Lookfantastic, the fact that they haven't given me the facial pads. Like I say, it's my second month, not a great look, not gonna lie. Anyway, moving swiftly on. We have a versatile skin loving wonder balm. So it is a condition and hydrate your skin again. So it's another hydrator for your skin. Oh, and it also is for your lips. So I think it's really important that, because we're still having to wear masks and stuff, I don't know about you guys, but I'm getting a lot of chapped lips. I'm using a lot more Vaseline. I'm getting a lot more breakouts around here. And I change my mask every single day. It's just my skin reacting badly with the mask, and obviously when you're breathing, it's just going back onto your face, so it's just making me have breakouts. So I think this is great product, and I'm looking forward to using that. Okay, and then we have another skin. I don't know if it's going to focus. Another skin product. So this is a cooling treatment that will leave your skin feeling hydrated and refreshed, combining 3 active ingredients. This face mask nourishes your complexion by warding off dryness and dehydration. Its uplifting scent will also revitalise your senses. So yeah, that's a really good product. So I think this month's really concentrated on your skin, like getting your skin back up to scratch, ready for June, I'm guessing. With the difference of the eyeliner and the kind of the brush, it's kind of been mainly like hair or face products. So I guess that's kind of what they're focusing on. Again, a little bit annoyed that I didn't receive these facial pads. Let me know if you got your March box and you did receive your facial pads, and kind of let me know what you thought of them. Yeah, a little bit of gutted that I didn't actually get to see them or try them out for you guys, but yeah, I guess it is what it is. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please drop me a comment below. Don't forget to hit the like, subscribe and share, and let me know what your thoughts are, and if you think this box was worth it, if you think maybe it's not worth having the subscription, or let me know your honest comments below. Don't forget, I'll be doing my glossy box review, and I've also be doing my Mother's Day glossy box review, and I've got my FabFitFun box coming soon. And don't forget about my competition. I've also, I don't know if you've seen, I've also had like a poll on my Instagram page where people want me to do vlogs on my handbag collection. So I'll be working on that over the next couple of months. Let me know if there's anything else that you want me to kind of try out for you, and I'll do my best. And have a great day.